Step 1. Create the base grid. Draw a border. Sketch vertical and horizontal wavy lines and straight grids from top to bottom. Intersect to create an organic mosaic pattern. Step 2. Paint with watercolors. Overlay evenly spaced straight horizontal and vertical lines to divide the curved shapes into smaller geometric sections. Each section with alternate vibrant shades such as yellow, red, green, blue, brown in each sections. Let it dry completely and add pen details to prevent smudging. Step 3. Outline the pattern. A black pen to trace the outlines. Wavy lines and straight grid lines. Keep the outlines clean and sharp, so each colorful section is clearly defined. Step 4. Add doodle patterns, such as concentric curves, angled hatching, spirals, and flowing lines. Choose one colored section and fill it with thin contour lines that follow its inner shape. Experiment with different patterns in each sections. Fill each section with unique patterns until the entire artwork is covered with patterns like semicircle, straight lines, or something as shown, and continue until every colored section contains an intricate doodle pattern.